Ever wondered why we hiccup? Let's find out in 60 seconds. A hiccup happens when your diaphragm suddenly contracts involuntarily, forcing air into your lungs and causing that hic sound. Hiccups can be triggered by eating too fast, drinking caffeinated beverages, or sudden excitement or stress. Most hiccups are harmless and usually stop on their own within a few minutes. Rarely, persistent hiccups lasting over 48 hours can indicate an underlying medical condition requiring treatment. Fun fact, hiccups are common in newborns too, and yes, everyone hiccups differently. Like and subscribe for more science facts.